Hey everybody, I'm Brandon with shopperinformer.com, and today I'm going to unbox for you this Wi-Fi video doorbell, a great product by eufy Security. Let's get into it. So this is everything in your package, and I have to say all the product packaging is very well done considering the price point. We got our user's manual up here, which is very well done and thorough. We have a little security label here you can put out front just to easily deter any unwanted people. We have some install hardware here we'll check out later. We've got the mounting brackets that go on the door, and they also include an angle bracket, so if you're close to like a crack or a corner, you can angle away a little bit. We have a USB cord to recharge the doorbell. Ethernet cord here for the home base. We've got the home base with its own power cord, and then the doorbell itself. So we got a lot going on. Let's just focus on the two main components to start right here. So we got the video doorbell here. It's got a nice little build quality to it and some weight, but it doesn't feel like cheap plastic or anything. You can see it fits here in my hand, so it's not going to be obnoxiously huge to mount on the door. So on the top here, we've got our main camera, 2K high def. Below that, we've got an ambient light sensor, so it knows when it's switching from day to nighttime and those types of transitions. And we've got a nice gratifying button down here. When you click it, right, it's going to make that ding-dong sound so the person knows they depressed it right and that it's working. This thing does run off of battery power and can last up to 6 months, but if you're going to mount it in the exact same place as your current doorbell and it has good working wiring, you can actually hardwire it in and you'll never have to recharge it. It'll just stay automatically powered. When we look at the main base right here, it's got a small footprint, nice and lightweight. It's got 16 gigs built right in, so it's got storage for all of your recordings. Yes, on the back side here, you're going to have your power outlet, so you can power it and plug it in. You're going to have a USB port right here, so you can probably recharge the doorbell itself. We've got our Ethernet right here, so you're going to be able to plug this into your router, and that is how the Wi-Fi doorbell is going to connect to the internet so that it can contact you via the app anytime, wherever you're at. When it comes to mounting the doorbell, they provide you with everything you need, and if you're just going to do a flush mount, this bracket will have you covered right here. Since my doorbell is in a corner, I would actually have to use this angle bracket to angle it away, and you just mount that right on top of this, and then it'll be pushed away so that you have the perfect viewing angle for this. Now, if you're going to run this off of battery power and you need to recharge it, you can take this, you'll pop it in here, and it's going to be locked in super secure, and then they provide you this additional little tool right here that you can press the release button and get it back out. And as we start to look at some of the sample footage, you can see that it's real crisp and clear as people approach the door, whether they're dropping off packages or trying to get a hold of you. But even more impressive is the nighttime footage. I'm always impressed with how infrared works and how clear the vision and the range is with these types of devices. And to top it off, the app is easy to use and set up, and it's super convenient having this app in the palm of your hands wherever you're at. So when somebody rings you, you can instantly answer it. You can always log in and check and just see what's happening. Maybe your neighbor calls you and says you might want to see there's somebody snooping around the house. You can see what's going on. And naturally, you can start recording and taking pictures from there as well. Everything you need is contained right here in this little package. You got a great product at a great price point, and that's today's opinion. To find more great reviews, don't forget to check out shopperinformer.com. You can click the link down in the description.